Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for Canon photographers, the Canon RS-80N3 remote switch and cleaning kit. We stumbled upon this product and thought it would be a game changer for many of you, so we've included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. The Canon RS-80N3 is a remote switch designed specifically for Canon SLR cameras that feature an N3 type socket. This includes a wide range of models such as the EOS 1DX, 1DC, 1DS Mark III, 1DS Mark II, and so many more, including the 5D series and the 7D. This versatility makes it an essential tool for both amateur and professional photographers alike. One of the standout features of the RS-80N3 is its length. At 80 centimeters, or about 2.6 feet, this remote switch gives you just the right amount of distance to comfortably operate your camera without having to touch it. This is particularly important when you want to avoid any camera shake, especially during long exposures or macro photography. Speaking of long exposures, the RS-80N3 comes with a shutter release lock feature. This allows you to lock the shutter button down, which is perfect for extended time-lapse photography or night shots. Imagine capturing the beauty of a starry sky or the smooth flow of a waterfall without the worry of camera movement disrupting your shot. It's these practical capabilities that make this remote switch a great addition to your photography toolkit. The RS-80N3 is particularly suitable for photographers who often work with macro photography or long telephoto lenses. If you frequently use these kinds of setups, you know that even the slightest movement can ruin a shot. The remote switch helps mitigate this risk and allows you to focus on your composition and settings without worrying about accidental bumps. Additionally, for those looking for even greater flexibility, there is an optional T1003 extension cord available. This can be especially useful if you find yourself needing more distance between you and your camera during a shoot. In terms of practical use cases, this remote switch is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their photography skills. Whether you're capturing delicate flower details in macro photography, shooting landscapes at sunset, or even taking family portraits, the Canon RS-80N3 helps to ensure that your shots are crisp and clear. In conclusion, the Canon RS-80N3 remote switch, along with the included cleaning kit, is a fantastic investment for any Canon photographer. Its thoughtful design and practical features can elevate your photography experience and improve your results. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.